Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in your PC. To install WordPress, you have to have XAMPP in your PC. You have to install XAMPP in your PC. So here you can see I have already installed it. If you want to install it, you can actually type here XAMPP, then go for the download, and you can actually download the latest version. So it will actually start downloading within a short time. I have already downloaded it and installed it in C drive. Here, if I type XAMPP, here you can see. So if I open it, so this is the control panel. Here you can see. Now what you need is WordPress. So WordPress org. If you type it and search it, WordPress org, then you will find the first link. Here you can see download. So download the latest version. Download WordPress 6.8.2. So just click here download, and it will actually start downloading. And here you can see it's downloading. So we have to wait for some time. So guys, here you can see we have download WordPress. So now we just have to actually unzip it. So let's go extract all here. Click here extract. Fine. Here you can see we have WordPress here. So double click on it, and here you can see we have all the file. Here you can see WP content. So we have here themes and everything. But before that, we have to create a database. So to create database, we have to actually open here XAMPP control panel. Here you can see, and we have to start Apache and MySQL both server. So Apache basically for the localhost server and MySQL for the MySQL. Okay, and to create database and everything. So let's go. Here we have to type localhost, then /php myadmin. If you type here 127.0.0.1 and then /php myadmin, it will actually took you to the same page. Here you can see. So instead of 127.0.0.1, you can actually type here localhost. So here we have to create a database at first, and we will say here that test WPDB. So this is the database name. Just copy it, create. So here we have test WPDB, and now we want to actually install WordPress. So here we are going to say that localhost. Okay. So one more thing is now here you can see we have WordPress here, right? So now let's say I want to create the project name as let's say test WP. Okay. So now I rename it. Now what I have to do, you have to actually just cut it, and you have to go for the XAMPP installation drive. In this case, C drive. Then go for the XAMPP, then htdocs, and here you have to paste it. Here we have the folder. Now we have to install it. So if we type here localhost / and here you can see we have here test WP. So if you click here this project test WP, here you can see we have this page. So click here English and go for the continue. Let's go. Then here now we have to mention the database name. So the database name is test WPDB, right? Here you can see test WPDB. Username by default root, and password is null. So you can't give here space also. Null means nothing. And host is localhost, and prefix is WP _. Okay. Then click on submit, run the installation. Done. Now you have to give site title. Let's say test WP site. Okay. Or maybe you can actually say here WordPress site. And username, let's say admin. Password, let's say 123. Just confirm the weak password. And here you have to give the email. So in this case, I'm going to give here dummy email, but you can actually give here your own email because sometimes it happens that you forgot the password, or maybe you have to reset the password. So that time email will help you, okay, to do this. So here I'm going to say that a dummy Gmail, let's say tanbir@gmail.com. Install WordPress. So we have already installed it. Here you can see, just click here login and just say here admin, then password is 123, right? Just say here login. And here you can see we have installed WordPress. Now if I hover on it and if I click on visit site, so this is our site.